Good morning, all of you. Welcome to our college, Sharad Institute of Technology, Polytechnic, EDRA, Department of Information Technology. Today start 12th lecture on course that is subject name data structure using C. Syllabus for that subject, there are total 5 units. In that already unit number 1 is completed. Now continue or start our unit number 2, searching and sorting, for 12 marks. In unit number 2, that name is searching and sorting, there are 2 subpoints, 2.1 searching and 2.2 sorting. In a previous lecture we complete our 2.1 searching. In there 2 methods, linear search and binary search. Okay, after that in a previous lecture we studied the concept of sorting, means start the next main point, that is 2.2 sorting. Also studied that difference between linear search and binary search. Okay, and in previous lecture I given some homework, means I given assignment questions. Hope all are completed it. Now start the next point, means start the method that is known as bubble sort in under the sorting method. Okay, means in a sorting there are 5 methods are there, which are bubble sort, selection sort, insertion sort, quick sort and radical sort. Okay, these sorts are one by one studied. Now in this lecture start the bubble sort method under the sorting. Means bubble sort is the one we told that the technique or method of sorting. Okay. Okay, next slide. Start our today's point, bubble sort. Okay, it is the sorting technique, concept or definition. The simplest sorting algorithm is a bubble sort. Okay, means what? Bubble sort is the simplest sorting algorithm as compared to other sorting methods. A bubble sort is an internal exchange sort. Okay, means what? In a bubble sort, how two numbers are exchanged in a internal. Okay, this sorting technique is named bubble because of the logic is similar to the bubble in a water. Means what? In this technique, how to give the name as a bubble? That logic is that in a water, how two bubbles are created, that logic through give the name as a bubble. Okay, means what? When, next point, when a bubble is formed, it is small at the bottom. Okay, in a water. Okay, when a bubble is formed, it is small at the bottom, and when it is move up, it becomes bigger to bigger. That is, bubbles are in a ascending order of their size from the bottom to the top. Means that in this method or in this techniques, how to give the name as a bubble sort, in using through the logic. Which logic is used? In a water, bubbles are created. First of all, bubbles are small in a bottom. Okay, at the bottom. But when at move up, okay, that becomes bigger to bigger. Okay, after that bubbles are placed in that proper place. Okay, means in a ascending order. Okay, the size from the bottom to up, bottom to top. Means what? In a water you observe it. Okay, you all know or not, I'm not known, but you imagine or you seen it in a water when bubbles are created. First of all, bubbles are small at the bottom are present. When that bubbles are move up, that time two bubbles are small bubble, two small bubbles are merged to in one bubbles. Means that bubbles are bigger to bigger, and after that in a water, that bubbles are placed in that proper size, means in a bottom. or bottom to up, that bubble size, the bubbles are placed in that proper size. This concept or this logic are used in this sorting, so give the name as a bubble sort. It's enough. In these points only what said that how to give the bubble name as this technique or method. How to give that bubble name using in a water, how to bubbles are created, and how to that small bubbles are move up to create the bigger, and that bigger bubbles how to place in a proper side, means in a proper place at bottom to up, that bubble size, that each and each bubbles are placed in that proper place. That techniques, that logic are used in this method, so give the name as the bubble sort. Clear that point? The key idea of the bubble sort is to make pairwise comparisons and exchange the partitions of the pair if they are out of order. Okay, clear that? Means that in that which idea is used, in that pairwise comparisons are obtained, and in this when any means in a out of order that are comparison, then exchange the positions. Means that out of order means one give the any condition, okay, that conditions is true, then that exchange the position, otherwise not. This concept are used. This sorting method proceeds by scanning through the elements one pair at a time and swapping any adjacent pairs it find to be out of order. Means on in these above points I am tell that points are explained in this point. Means that one pair at a time, means one pair at a time scanning through this proceeds, means comparison between that pair, okay, at a time. That adjacent pairs in out find that out of order, then it is swapping. Okay, which out of order be possible? We are given some condition, that condition wise that swapping are depend or not. Bubble sort starts by comparing first element with second element. If first element is greater than second element, then it will be swap both the elements and the move on to compare second elements with third element, so on. In that till that point, okay, in that I am telling one condition is used, means which condition, greater than condition is used. Okay, when that out of order means that condition is true, that exchange position, otherwise not. Means that how to bubble sort is work. The bubble sort first comparing first element with second element. Okay, if first element is greater than second element, then it will be swap, that both numbers are swap, that both elements are swap, and move to comparison second element with third element, and so on. Means up to your complete your array, means your size of list complete up to that comparison with each other, and after that you are sorting the numbers or sorting the elements. These techniques are used in a bubble sort. Syntax: let array max is a integer array, n is the size of array. Okay, bubble sort is the simplest sorting algorithm where after every pass are also known as the iteration. Okay, the second word is the iteration or pass. Okay, any one word we use. Okay, then pass the largest element of array bubbles up toward the last place or index. Means that in that tell that in bubble sort it is the simplest sorting algorithm, in that every where after every pass, means after every iteration, the largest element that are array, given that array largest elements of array bubbles up toward the, means bubbles up means move towards the last place or last index. Okay, if we have total n elements in array, then to sort all these elements we need to repeat this process for n minus 1 times. Clear that? Means if we have given means in a array where n elements of elements means in a array we input the 5 elements, then 5 minus 1 means 4 times that pass or that iterations are used, means that repeat that process again and again 4 times because your n is 5 number. Okay, so in each pass sorting starts from in each pass sorting starts from starting index to end on, that end on elements, that is n minus pass minus 1. Okay, means then first pass, okay, that n means your how many numbers you pass in a array, that number minus that which pass we are used, means 0 pass or 1 pass, 2 pass, and minus 1 means that times your sorting is performed, means starting index to end on that element. End on element means your lasting element, up to lasting element. Every time that in that sentence tell that each pass means every pass sorting start from that starting index to end on that n minus pass minus 1, because in a first pass last position is already sorted, in a second pass second last position is sorted, after that means every time last position is 1 1 1 are moved to the left side. So in that tell that end on elements, that is n minus pass minus 1. Okay, using through example you are clear that points. They start in that, see that let array max is the array, n is the size of array. Okay, what is the syntax? Repeat of pass pass 1 to n minus 1. Okay, means that how many pass are possible in a bubble sort? That n minus 1. For example, your n is the 5, then 5 minus 1 means 4 passes are created in this technique or in this method. Repeat for j is equal to 0 to n minus pass minus 1. Okay, this is n minus pass minus 1 means every pass last position are sorted after. So in that end that element is n minus pass minus 1. Third step, if array of j is greater than array of j plus 1, then interchange a of j with a of j plus 1, means first 0th position or first in a array we use. So array is starting with 0 position. Okay, j is equal to 0 means 0th position start. 0th position is greater than 0 plus 1 means 1, means 0 position is greater than 1 position is true, then interchange, otherwise not. Okay, this is repeat whenever your pass is complete. After that print the sorted array. Okay, what is the logic or what is the syntax is used? Okay, this is the syntax is used. Time complexity of bubble sort in worst case that big O of n square, best case big O of n, and average case is big O of n square. Okay, in that n square are used because in that repeated passes means every time you comparison with each other, so in that use big O of n square, and average case also same, worst case and average case. Best case is big O of n because your array is already sorted, then no use that sorting method, that time that position or that case only the best case is big O of n, otherwise your time complexity is big O of n square. Okay, what is the algorithm of this sorting method, this bubble sort? First step, in the it is algorithm carefully studied. After that you study the work of that bubble sort technique, means how to that work it. Okay, in the first iteration or also known as the pass, okay, 0th element is compared with the first element. If 0th element is greater than then they are interchanged, else not. Second step, okay, after first element is compared with the second element, if first element is greater than, they are interchanged, else not. Okay, repeat this procedure up to n minus 2 is, repeat the procedure until n minus 2 is compared with the n minus 1th element. Okay, means what? In that first element, first iteration means first pass, 0th element is compared with first element. If 0th element is greater than that first element, then interchange, otherwise not. After that, one first element are compared with second element. In that logic are same. This repeat procedure up to last. Okay, n minus 1 is last number position because we starting with 0 position. Okay, so n minus 1 is the last, and that beginning n minus 2 to n minus 1, that numbers are compared with each other, and that also that n minus 2 is greater than, then interchange, otherwise not. When the first iteration or pass is over, means when first pass is complete, that time n minus 1th element holds the largest number. Okay, this process is repeat. After that, when that first iteration is over, that time nth minus 1th element means last position of that array is hold or automatically that sorted in a largest number. Okay, if there are n numbers of elements, okay, in that if there are n numbers of element in the list, then after the n minus 1th iterations, list is sorted. Clear that? Means what? How many iteration or how many passes are obtained if n number of elements. For example, your n is the 5, means 5 number of element in that list or array, then n minus 1 means 5 minus 1 means 4 iteration or 4 passes, list is sorted. Okay, means after that 4th pass through, after that 4 iteration or pass, your array is sorted. In a first pass not sorted, after that 4th. For example, your n is the 6, then 6 minus 1 5, then 5, after a 5 iteration or after a 5 pass, your number is sorted. Okay, next slide, means next point is the example. Using through this example, you clear this point. Consider the following list of element and sort in a ascending order using a bubble sort. Okay, for example, this is the number, means we given the one array, in that elements are 6 elements are present. Okay, means 6 elements are there in that list, which are the numbers or elements 75, 16, 80, 10, 18 and 6. Okay, pass number 1. Okay, in that n number means element how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 means how many iteration or pass? 6 minus 1, 5. So pass number 1, pass number 2, pass number 3, pass number 4 and 5. After that pass number 5, your numbers are automatically sorted. Okay, so in that total n minus 1 iteration or pass. Clear that? Okay, pass number 1, compare j and j plus 1 and perform swap or no swap operation. Okay, this is the pass number, this is the jth number, these are the elements and these are the operation, these are the columns. In a 0th, when j is the 0th position, that what will be happen? Okay, for that time these are numbers 75, 16, 80, 10, 18 and 6. In that algorithm told that first iteration means first pass. Okay, 0th element is compared with first element. If 0th element is greater than, they are interchanged, else not. Means in the 0th position is compared with first, j plus 1 means first position. This is 0 position, it is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, because it is an array and it is starting with 0 position. Okay, So 75 and 16 are checked when 75 is greater than 16. Okay, in that told that 0th position is greater than, okay, 0th position, if 0th position is greater than, then they are interchange, otherwise not. In that 75 is greater than 16, so swap 75 and 16 means what? In that numbers are swap, means interchange 16 and 75. Next numbers as it is write down. Okay, in a first means jth position is 1, means next algorithm first position is compared with the second element. If first element is greater than, then interchange, otherwise not. After that check, this is the 0 position, it is the first position. Okay, this first position is check compare with second position. 75 is greater than 80, no. Okay, so no swap for 17, 75 and 18. Okay, this up to repeat this process n minus 2 to compare with n minus 1, means this process is up to, what is your n minus 1? This is the 6 and n minus 2 is 18, means up to this step we are repeat this process. Okay, after that in that tail, after that first iteration n minus 1th position is largest, hold that largest number. Okay, in that n minus 1 position is there, because total there are 6 numbers, 6 minus 1 means 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, means this position is sorted, means is hold the biggest number or largest number. Okay, and in that tell that n number of element, then your pass is n minus 1, means in that your number is 6, so pass will be created 5. Clear that? Okay. In that check it, where we going in that. Okay, after that 18 and 10 are checked. In that 18 is not 18 is greater than 10, so swap 18 and 10, so number are interchanged 10 and 18. After that next 18 and 18 are checked, 80 are greater than 18, so interchange that numbers, means 18 and 80 swap them. After that fourth index 80 and 6 are checked, that 80 are greater than 6, so swap this number 6 and 18, and after pass 1 finish, that time n minus 1 position are sorted, means hold the biggest number. So in that told that at the end of pass 1, one element is placed at its proper position and the elements is biggest element of array which is placed at last position in array, means every pass last position is placed in a proper position. Pass 2, these numbers are continuous. Okay, means taking these numbers in a pass 2, which are 16, 75, 10, 18, 6 and 80. This is okay, these numbers are taken in a pass 2 because this is the last sorted that numbers. In that same procedure is used, compare j and j plus 1 and perform swap or no swap operation. Okay, in that swap pass number 2, 16 and 75 is compared with each other. Okay, that time 16 is greater than 75, no, so no swap. If this is a number is fixed, okay, so in that check only for this up to, so in that syntax told that n minus pass minus 1, this is in that n is the 6, pass is the 1, 1 minus 1 means 0, means sorry, so in that n is your 6 number, pass is 2 minus 1, pass 2 minus 1, 1 and 6 minus 1, 5. So that's starting with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Sorry, in that told that n your 6, pass is number 2. Okay, means 6 minus 2, 4, 4 minus 1, 3, means that repeat process 0 to 3. 0 to 3. 0, 1, 2, 3, this j. Clear that? After third pass means n minus 3, 6 minus 3, 3, 3 minus 1, 2. So in a pass third, 0, 1, 2, this is. Clear that? That's syntax. Okay. In that, after that, 75 is compared with 10, same as in that 75 is greater than 10, so swap this number 10 and 75. After that, swap means check 75 and 18, in that 75 is greater than 18, so swap this. After that, 75 and 6 are checked, in that 75 is greater than 6, so 6 swap it. After that, second position means n minus 2 position is fixed, means that placed in proper position, that is the that holds the biggest number. Okay, this continue up to pass number 5. At the end of pass 2, second largest element of array is placed at its proper position. Clear that? In a pass number 3, same as compare j and j plus 1 is performed swap or no swap operation. In that, these numbers are taken, which are the last is sorted. These are taken. Okay. In that, also same repeat position, 0th position is compared with first. After that, first compared with second, second compared with third. Okay. This is not compared again because these are the already fixed. So 16 is compared with 10. 16 is greater than 10, so swap this 10 and 16. After that, next numbers are as it is, write down. After, in a second position, 16 is greater than 18. Okay, 16 not greater than 18, so no, swap this number as it is taken in a next stage. After that, 18 and 6 is compared, in that 18 is greater than 6, so swap this number 6 and 18. Okay, after that, third pass 3 finish, that time 18 is placed in proper. When that two numbers are compared, means that check which are the greater number and put that in a bold, so you easily understood. Okay, at the end of the pass 3, third largest element of array is placed at its proper position. Pass number 4, compare j and j plus 1 and perform swap or no swap operation. That's same, in that taken this last sorted numbers. Okay, 10, 16, 6, 18, 75, 80. Okay, in that compare, 10 is compared with 16. 10 is greater than, no greater than of 16, so no swap. Okay, that is it return. Okay, after that, 16 is checked with 6. 16 is greater than 6, so swap this 6 and 16. After that, fourth pass, 16 is placed in proper position. At the end of pass 4, fourth largest element of array is placed at its proper position. Okay. Fourth means what? It is the first, second, third and fourth is fourth. So, pass number 5th, pass 5, in that compare j and j plus 1 and perform swap or no swap. Perform swap or no swap operation. In that also same. Okay, sorry, this is the 5th pass. Okay, that taking the last numbers, means sorted last numbers, 10, 6, 16, 18, 75 and 80. In that 10 and 6 are take or use that 10 is greater than 6 to then swap this number, means 6 and 10. Okay, this 6 is automatically sorted, so in that use pass 5 because this number is automatically sorted. So your number is 6, then pass will be created 5. Clear that? At the end of the pass 5, fifth largest element of array is placed at the proper position. In each and every pass, one element will be placed at its proper position. So after pass 5, we will get complete sorted array. Clear that? Using this example, through you clear this how to work that bubble sort. Okay, these are the same logic is used in a program. How it is possible? Check it. Next slide is next point is program. std conio you already know, these are the header files. Void main, it is a function. Array, integer array 100 given the size as the 100. N, I, J, temp, these are the taking of variables for our programming purpose. Okay, clear screen. In that clear the window. Printf. Enter array of size. Enter the array of size means how many size or how many elements are input in a array that are given. Okay, let's scan a %d because we declare the integer number. So data specifier used %d and are saved in a n. Address operator is used because this address to that store that number. Okay, this is the printf function, it is the output function. Scanf is the input function. That printf function two purpose to use. One purpose is only for message display and second purpose is that for display the output. In that use message purpose because user when giving the number that time that know what is the numbers are entered, so message will be displayed in a output window. That time user easily understood, so that purpose is used. Next, enter %d array elements means in n numbers. For example, we given the n number is 5, then 5 array element enter. Okay, then user easily understood that 5 numbers are scan means what input in this through array of I, array of 0 1 2 3 up to where n element is finished. In that use for loop because in that same that scanf function are repeated, so use for loop. Okay, in that logic is there for I is equal to 0, I less than n minus 1, I plus plus. This is the for the pass purpose. Okay, because your pass is n minus 1. Okay, because starting with 0. After that j is equal to 0. In that for j is equal to 0, j less than n minus I minus 1 and j plus plus. Okay, this is for the your jth position means this purpose or this purpose. Okay, means I means your pass every time pass with 1 1 is increase, that time to your numbers are reduce. In that 4 means 5, in that 4, in that 3, in that 2, in that 1. So there. Okay, if array of j is greater than array of j plus 1, then that when means 0th position is greater than first position, then swap this number. Okay, when we swap this number means jth number are jth position means 0th position, we first elements are swapped and first element is 0. Okay, so we use the temporary variable. Why use temporary variable? When in a array of j, in that you assign the value of array of j plus 1 means your first elements are assigned to 0th element. That time override this number means on a 0th position number, that first position is override. Your 0th position is your override means that are lost in that memory. So we given one temporary variable, we already that 0th position is assigned to that temporary variable. After that 0th position means that jth position, that j plus 1 means your first element is assigned. After that j plus 1, that temporary variables are assigned, because in a temporary variable automatically means that jth means your 0th elements are value are placed. So what is the your use the temp variable, clear that? Okay, so in a C language you use the swap program, so that time to usually clear that points. Once again in that we clear that. Okay, in that you will complete your for loops. After that printf sorted array is displayed, message is displayed, and using through for loop that print that numbers one by one when up to n means your n element means n number of elements. After that get ch. Okay, in that first your j is equal to 0. Okay, for example, n you given your okay, means that after that this matches through sorted arrays. That using for loop means I is equal to 0, I less than n means your n is the 6, means 6 minus 5, because starting with 0 position, 0 1 2 3 4 5, they are one by one numbers are printed. Okay, it is how to possible, means j is equal to your 0. Okay, 0 is less than n minus I minus 1. For example, we given the n is the 6, means 6 minus I is 0, 6 minus 0, 6. Okay, means n is the 6, 6 minus 0, 6 minus 1, 5, means 0 1 2 3 4 5, that our numbers are checked. Okay, in that first array of j means 0th position is compared with first 0, j plus 1 means 1, 0 plus 1, for 0th position is greater than, then swap, otherwise not. Okay, these are up to whenever your pass is completed. That after that your numbers are automatically sorted. Okay, output. Okay, which are the number in a example, which numbers are given, that are given that as an output. Enter the size of, enter array of size, for example 6, enter 6 array elements, that are 6 elements are entered. Sorted array is, that's using through, we are sorted that array using bubble sort, that's our we get ascending order. For example, you want to in a descending order, then this program is used, only one condition is one condition is changed, that is in that this is a greater than sign is used, in that use less than size, means in that use if array j less than array of j plus 1, then this array automatically sorted in a descending order. It is sorted in a ascending order, but normally or generally all the sorting techniques are sorted in a only for ascending order. In case in your question asked in a sort in a descending order, that time to use this program, see this same program is used, but only if change the condition, means if condition is changed, that is in that only for sign is changed, in that greater than sign is used, that time to use less than size. Okay, clear that point, only for change the sign. Okay, next point, advantages. Bubble sort is easy and simple to implement. Okay, it is easy and simple to implement. Elements are swapped in a place without using additional temporary storage, so the space requirement is at a minimum. Means that in that when swapping is used, at that time no any extra additional temporary storages are used, so in that no space requirement at a minimum is used. It only takes a few lines of code. Okay, in that which our code is used, these are the few lines of code. These are the advantages. Disadvantages, bubble sort is slow as it takes big of n exponential comparisons to complete the sorting. Because means what, it is slow because there each and every elements are compared with each other and greater than, then swap it. So in that takes n into n, means n exponential, that is comparisons are used. And second disadvantages is it is not sufficient for large lists. Clear that? Means in that your large list means your list is for example 50, okay, 15 or 20. Okay, that time their passes are automatically increased, means your array is 20, means 19 passes are obtained. That time too complicated or confusing, that time too arises. So in that's told that it is not sufficient for large lists. Clear that? Okay. Summary of this lecture is, in this lecture we study concept, syntax, algorithm, example, program, advantages and disadvantages of bubble sort. Okay. Homework on that today's lecture continues the assignment number 2, continues the questions in that describe working of bubble sort with example. Means that in that told the working of bubble sort, how to work that bubble sort, means concept and their algorithm and their example that are mentioned. And this in these questions in these both questions through only for given the answer that are given that numbers and their how to that using bubble sort through sort this number that show it. Okay, means in that and how to use in which order, in a ascending order. Okay, and write the output after each iteration. Okay, in their spelling mistake, I think in a question paper, interaction, not interaction, iteration or also known as the pass. Okay, pass means a iteration, means after iteration show that how to these numbers are will be sorted, that only for show, not write in your this explanation or any algorithm. Okay, only for show the example, means in this number taken and each pass through show how to this number is sort using bubble sort. That's enough. That's only for answer these two programs to write down. And this questions is theory part, is only for example part, means these two questions answer how to write this type. This only for this write this slide, after that this, after that this, after that this, means this slide through this type of slide, means this type to answer write down in that given that number which are in a given a question, that are numbers are taken and after each pass, means after that each iteration. Okay, in that how to show there are the 6 numbers, so iterations are 5 or pass are 5. So this pass 5 are how to show to you in this example. That's like that's type you show that both questions. Okay, in that 1 2 3 4 5 6 8 9 10 11 12 numbers are present, means 11 iterations are formed, created, iteration or pass. In that 1 2 3 4 5 numbers are there, so 4 passes or 4 iteration are created. Okay, in that ascending order through show that. Okay, these are the homework on today's lecture. Okay, here stop our today's lecture. Okay, in this lecture any doubts are arise, then contact with me, no problem. Thank you.